guys, so today I will be showing you how I make cuticle oils. I used to make cuticle oils a long time ago to sell them to my clients. You know, a little side income, $3, $4 isn't a bad, it adds up, and they're not hard to make. So I always try to say, like, find new ways to make income, because doing nails shouldn't be your only way to make income, because one day you will get tired of doing nails, like your body will give out. So always find additional ways to increase your income. So I mix these type of oils: vitamin E oil, castor oil, and I don't know how to say that, jojoba, I don't know how to say that. But I mix those up, and then I researched to make sure that these are all good for your skin, good for your cuticles, good for your nails to good. I got the J word oil from Amazon, as well as the vitamin E oil. The castor oil, I did get it from Five Below. It's an organic, it's good, it's thick, I like that. Then I mix it with the other two, since they're a thinner oil, so that way it's not too thick onto the skin. And then I just mix it up, and it's something that doesn't take too much time. I got the little tubes off of AliExpress. If you are looking for like low cost like supplies like this, I always recommend AliExpress, because they are shipping from like China and stuff like that. I'm not sure, don't quote me on that, but it's super cheap as compared to Amazon. I mean, the shipping does take a bit longer and you don't have an accurate shipping date, but it is worth it because it lowers your cost of production, basically.